In this video, we'll be changing the battery in this Nissan Titan key fob. I have the 4-button version here. There's also a 3-button version. It does not matter which one you have, the process is going to be the same for both of them. All you'll need to open it up and to replace the battery is a flathead screwdriver, a smaller sized, and I will show you more on that in a second, and a CR2032 battery. If you want to get one of these online, go check out that first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. So the first step here is just to flip it over and hold down this little switch on the back while pulling out the internal key. Now looking at the bottom, you can see there's that opening right there in the plastic. We need a flathead that will fit into that area. Okay, so we're just going to push it down into that area and holding the key fob gently, twist until you hear it click. And as soon as it's starting to open up, I'd recommend that you just go down that opening, twisting gently. Twist until you can pull it apart with your fingers. Now we can use the same tool to come over on the side of the battery and just pry it out. So try to get the corner of your flathead under the battery and it will come right out for you. Here is the CR2032. When you're putting your new battery in there, make sure that the positive side is facing down. So you will just push it down into place, positive side down, make sure that it is sitting flat in there. And then you can just click these two pieces back together. Squeeze it back together, you can put your key in there as well, and with that you are finished. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did find it helpful, feel free to drop us a like or let me know about it down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We have you covered on this YouTube channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.